Thai Chicken Satay with peanut sauce. Ingredients: 400 grams/14 ounces coconut milk, 1 can, full fat. 13-16 bamboo skewers, 16 centimeters, 6.5 inches long. Marinade: 600 grams, 1.2 pounds chicken thighs, boneless skinless, cut into 2 centimeters/4/5 pieces. 1 tablespoon curry powder. 1 teaspoon white sugar. 2 teaspoons red curry paste. 1 teaspoon salt. Thai peanut sauce. 2 tablespoons red curry paste. 3/4 cup, 180 grams, natural peanut butter, smooth. 1/4 cup, 50 grams, white sugar. 2 teaspoons dark soy sauce. 1 teaspoon salt. 2 tablespoons cider vinegar. 3/4 cup, 185 milliliters, water. Serving: 2 tablespoons peanuts finely chopped. Lime wedges, optional. Coriander, cilantro leaves and sliced red chilli. Instructions: if cooking on a barbecue or over charcoal, soak skewers for 2 hours in water. Thai Chicken Satay skewers. Mix together the chicken and marinade with 1/4 cup of coconut milk, then set aside for at least 20 minutes, or overnight. Thread onto skewers, I do 4 to 5 pieces each. Heat 1.5 tablespoons oil in a large non-stick pan over medium-high heat. Cook skewers in batches for 3 minutes on each side until golden. Thai peanut sauce. Place remaining coconut milk and peanut sauce ingredients in a saucepan over medium-low heat. Stir to combine and simmer, stirring every now and then, for 5 minutes. Adjust consistency with water. It should be a pourable but thickish sauce. Cover with lid and keep warm while cooking skewers. Serving: pour some sauce into a bowl. Sprinkle with some peanuts, stir some through if you want. Pile satay skewers onto a platter, sprinkle with remaining peanuts, coriander and chilli. Serve with sauce on the side for dipping. Add a side of jasmine rice or Thai fried rice to complete the meal.